Hi, my name is Magali Castro. I am from Bogota. I have 30 years old. Okay, the product is a coffee marker. The coffee marker is created in France. The inventor Francois Antoinette Dascourcilis in the years 1802. And its precursor was a pharmaceutic Bodenhoy two metal containers that communicated with a shed full of holes. Like a strainer, when I was boiled, the stream released by the water rose to the tank about passing the through to filters and through to ground coffee, extracting its essences, colors, and flowers. This invention was called caffeolatte. And the 2 point is the evolution. The evolution is in 1901. Luigi Becerra, an Italian businessman, manufactured the first industrial coffee maker, and 4 years later he sold the patent to Desiderio Pavoni. Wood marketed is in bars and restaurants. In 1908, domestic coffee makers of the times arose from Melita, a German housewife, which created the first coffee filter. His idea was so successful that founded a company, and I survived the First and Second World Wars, being today accompanied with more than 3,000 employees. In 1992, the Longines developed the bar coffee maker in first espresso machines, which will be precursor for the brand to reach this day and become the market leaders in espresso machines. Okay, 3 point is the innovations of coffee today. In the coffee today, since the traditional Italian coffee machines, capsules coffee machines, traditional June, and super automatic with integrated coffee grinder. And actually, a perfect coffee from a mobile app. Unfinished is the 4 point. What is the useful life of a coffee maker? We can estimate that the useful life of a capsule coffee maker is around 3 years. With that, or an espresso maker is around 5.